welcome back to another brand new video. Sorry I haven't posted in a while, but yeah. So today we'll just be riding on my e-scooter and his bike, and yeah, we'll just go for the flow. Alright, just gonna stop by Coles, get something from there, and yeah. I haven't posted in a while because of my school holidays first, and second, my laptop was broken for a while, so I couldn't really post or upload anything. So yeah, sorry about that guys, but I keep my word when I say I post every Sunday. I promise. This is just something that had to be fixed, so I couldn't really do anything about it, but I'm back into it, and yeah. Today I'll also be showing you my RC car that I bought. It will be at the end of the video, so make sure to stick to the end. Once as always. And yeah, the RC car goes 40 kilometers per hour. Just a disclaimer right there. It's pretty fast. First 45 of the day. Yeah. My e-scooter's fully charged, so it's pretty good. I made sure it would be fully charged for this. Alright, just going through the shopping center right now. Gonna buy some drinks. Alright guys, just getting a Lipton iced tea. $3.50. It's good. Alright, just going towards the lake now. Pop a wheelie. I know how to wheelie now, guys. Oh, I was practicing doing a foot drag for like the whole time, so I think I got better now, and I know how to wheelie now. So yeah, if you want to see a proper teaching video of how to wheelie now, doing a foot drag, if you want to learn, it's so very simple. I'll be explaining all the stuff you need to do, and yeah, and you'll know how to wheelie after that. So tell me if that'll be a good video, you know. Yeah. Over the bumps, look at the water guys. It's so fresh today. Guys, they're making a new building over there. What a nice day to go for a ride. This is my second ever daily rides video from, I don't know if you guys remember, the first ever video that I did was a daily rides one, and here we are again. So tell me which one you preferred, this one or the other one. It's kind of mixed because we're gonna still do the RC car video. You do a little POV. I'll attach the camera on the RC car and it'll be lots of fun. So yeah. Trying not to film some people, because some people just don't like when they get filmed, but just a chill ride, you know. Zoom past him. Love doing that. Alright guys, this is the brand new truck Sprint right here that I was talking about. So this goes 40 kilometers per hour. It has all this dual suspension like that back, one shock at the front. The reason why it has dual at the back is so that when you jump, it suspends it and it doesn't crash or destroy the actual car. Alright, so I'll be driving this and showing you how fast it goes and doing a POV. Right. Right guys, I'll be doing a POV. Everywhere, like maybe to the skate park and stuff. I'm just doing like a little POV here. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed as always. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.